Dan, it is a pleasure to meet you, sir. Would you mind, for the audience, just introducing yourself and tell us a little bit more about what you do?
Yeah, hi, Kieran. I'm very happy to be here. Thank you for inviting me. I'm 𝗀𝗃𝗿𝗃. I'm Chief Product Officer with 𝗀𝗲𝗿. I'm one of the founders in 𝗀𝗲𝗿, and in the last 5 years, I'm in this fantastic journey in conversational business applications. And in 𝗀𝗲𝗿, we are putting together all these conversational AI technologies, transforming actually how people are interacting with business applications, doing all this conversational. So now with 𝗀𝗲𝗿, you can speak or chat with your CRM, with your human resources system, with your SAP, so you can just talk with the applications.
Oh, I love it. You sound like you're in one of the hottest technology sectors that I've come across in a while. For those who don't know, Dan, what is conversational AI and what is a conversational business application platform?
Yeah, I appreciate this question because, in my opinion, although they are going into the same direction, they are slightly two different things. So conversational AI, in my opinion, it's the technology that allows you to interact with systems conversational. So to just text or talk on the phone or on the virtual assistant and say to the application what you need, what you want. So this is conversational AI. Applying conversational AI on top of existing applications, like on top of CRM, on top of human resources, or building new applications and interacting with them with conversational AI, actually you result in having a conversational business application. So again, adding conversational AI on top of Salesforce makes Salesforce a conversational business application.
Dan, why would people use conversational AI and conversational business application platforms when they can use their fingers and do the clickety-click?
I think it's literally in our nature. So I don't think people do this on purpose. So they just feel like this. And I see real examples. You have the websites, you have a form where you can type something and search, but then you have the chatbot bubble where you need to click and ask. Majority of the people start moving and preferring to click and ask. So people don't have patience anymore to search for information, to learn how to get it, to learn how to do things. They want to have it solved right now. So they just ask or tell what they need. So it's just a natural way to interact. So with conversational AI, we are actually not trying to build a momentum or to evangelize and convince people. We just follow when they are asking to be.
The most natural thing in the world is a conversation. So tell me, what's so exciting about conversational business application platforms then?
This is the excitement part, because conversational AI alone, it's a technology. There is data science, there are algorithms that are able to understand your natural language. But how you understand it in the context of the business is totally different thing. And what you do after you understand, it's another thing as well. So I'm not just chatting, chit chat with the person. I am chatting with business because I want to sign up for a contract. I want to schedule an appointment with my doctor. I want to find information about my customer. So I apply conversational AI in the context of the business. And by doing so, I want to complete a business transaction. And the business transactions, the data, the processes, the applications exist. So I'm not starting from scratch. I just need to transform how they behave and to add to them this conversational layer. So applying conversational AI plus integration with business applications, or building business application with conversational AI user experience, moves you into the conversational business applications.
And are there a lot of different case studies where conversational business applications are impacting organizations?
I mean, I didn't saw any project not delivering additional value in the first month of being live. And the results are amazing. I mean, going live with a virtual assistant for employees, for example, Texas Children's Hospital, 20,000 employees. Sending them an email, please report here your vaccination status and click and start chatting with the chatbot. Not doing 1 minute training with none of these 20,000 employees. And within the next 10 days, having 20,000 employees chatting with the bot and reporting their vaccination status. Personally, to me, never happened in the last 25 years building business applications. Always I have to think on how do I train, how I teach people how to use it. It's friendly enough, it's not, they will use it or not. Never happened with virtual assistant. So the impact is fantastic. I mean, adding a virtual assistant to sign up for a new contract in financial services in the context where the respective bank has a mobile application for onboarding, have a website for onboarding, and have a contact center onboarding people. And still, in the first month after going live, 18% new contracts have been signed with the chatbot. And this is not because of the fantastic technology in the background. It's just simply because of this new channel, chat.
Interesting. 1 month return. I kind of like this space and I like this technology. So tell me, what's so special about Druid then? Because there are other conversational AI providers.
Many, a lot. And starting with the beginners with simple FAQ chatbots, then moving to more advanced virtual assistants. So there are many players in each country, in each region, many, including major business application. I mean, Salesforce has Einstein. ServiceNow has his own chatbot. SuccessFactors and SAP has their own chatbot. Microsoft, Google, all of them. So what's special with Druid? Druid was built with business applications and use cases in mind, not with technology. So we bring technology in order to resolve business use cases. And we designed the conversational AI platform, the Druid, from the beginning, knowing that we need to serve business-related conversations. So each conversational AI block in Druid, it's special because it serves this process. We handle in the context entities as business objects. When a customer chats with a Druid bot, immediately the bot in his brain builds customer 360 view like a CRM object with his contracts, his invoices. He is using this information to understand the language and the context. Then we knew for sure that the bot is primarily the entry point, but then he needs to work with existing data and applications. So integration engine is amazing, powerful. And then we realize and we build amazing new features this year, because it's not sufficient to interact with business data into the small chat window. So when a loan analyst or a risk officer jump in a room with virtual assistants and say, I have a couple of files I need to approve, immediately the Druid bot with a multimodal experience raise a hand and this is the file you requested, and builds a very comprehensive web form putting together data from different systems. So we go beyond the conversational AI and we surface the backend data and systems via the bot within the multimodal experience. So you will see in the release a new concept of digital workspaces. It's a virtual room. Depending on your interest in the topic as an employee, you enter in that room where you find a Druid virtual assistant specialized with the topic. You can ask him anything. You can ask him to give information to complete transaction, and he will help you to complete the tasks.
I really like that a business application has been designed with business in mind. In the past, I've seen too many technologies looking for a home. How do people find out a little bit more about Druid AI?
So besides the many chats and the content we are raising on LinkedIn, the best way from my perspective is go to druidai.com. There is a trial button top right corner and subscribe to a trial account. You get 30 days access to all the features, immediately access to all the documentation, and to an amazing solution library with tens of predefined templates. You are in financial services, you get the templates there. You are in insurance, templates there. Healthcare, or by process, you are looking for HR, conversational automations, you have the templates there. So you don't start from scratch. And my colleagues and myself, we would love to jump in one-to-one discussion with you. We work with you, we do mentoring, and our dear partners are all over the world. So very happy to assist you.
Oh, wow. I bought into this technology. I came across it recently, and boy, is it one of the most exciting spaces I've seen. I believe there's an event that you're running, the Rise of Symbiosis. Isn't that coming soon?
I like the
When is that?
symbiosis word. It's in London 25th. So I love to meet you there. I am delivering the first ever, in my opinion, conversational customer relationship management. So you see in practice how a virtual assistant can help salespeople, customers, regional directors to complete their job. We also have the experts booths where we have our colleagues specialized in technology, specialized in use cases. So it will be a truly hands-on conversational business application day.
That's the kind of day I like, where I can get my hands on the technology kit.
I'm very excited about it. Yeah.
It sounds exciting. Well, look, I wish you, Dan, every success at your event on the 25th, and I wish Druid every success in what sounds like a very exciting technology that was born out of a business need, a genuine business need, as opposed to technology that's looking to find a home. Every success, sir.
Thank you very much, Kieran. And we really enjoy it. It's amazing how together with the partners and customers, we discover each month new use cases, and we are amazed on what Druid technology was able to deliver. Each month, new things. Amazing.
Fantastic. Every success.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.